Let's make a cozy, fully functional house that will cover everything we need to survive in Hytale. We'll start by outlining the house basement. It will consist of one big 11 by 11 square and an adjacent 6 by 6 square. Next, place 10 oak logs to split this area into sections. These logs will become our pillars. Fill the gaps with your favorite stone block. I'll be using marble bricks in this guide. Now it's time to finish the basement, so remove all blocks inside the outlined borders. Fill the smaller square with stone blocks and the larger square with wooden floor blocks. In my case, it's light wood planks. The finished basement should look like this, so we can start building upward. First, place 4 oak logs on top of all 10 pillars, since the first floor will be 4 tiles high. Then connect the tops of the pillars using oak logs to outline the second floor. It should replicate the basement borders. Fill the walls with marble bricks, leaving 2 by 2 openings in the center of each wall except for the entrance wall, which should have an opening 1 tile lower. Fully cover the wall adjacent to the brick room, as well as all walls inside the brick room. You can optionally add a window there too. Place a double door at the entrance and windows in every remaining wall opening. We're almost done with the first floor, so go to the gap next to the door and place a 4 by 4 square of lightwood planks on top of it. This is how the second floor should look now. From this corner, build lightwood stairs leading down to the ground floor and fill the gaps with lightwood planks. The completed stairs should extend 3 blocks wider than the wall. Remove 1 tile near the stairs and build another pillar there, then connect it to the rest of the building. We'll use this space later as an optional external room. With that done, the first floor of our cozy house is ready, so let's move on to the second floor. Fill the second floor with lightwood planks, but this time outline the additional 6 by 6 square using oak logs. This area will become an external space. The second floor also needs 10 pillars that are 4 tiles high, but this time they should form an L shape as shown on the screen. Connect them at the top to create the frame for the second floor and the future roof. Fill the walls with marble bricks, just like on the first floor, but this time every wall will have a window except for the one with a double door. That door will lead to the external area near the stairs. Finish this floor by placing the double door and all the windows. Now it's time to finish the house with a nice looking roof. Place 4 marble bricks on top of the 2 floor borders, then add 2 more bricks above them, just like this. Next, fill the 3 rows of roof tiles to form an L-shaped roof. The house is almost complete, so let's add some details. Place marble cobble stairs around the entire perimeter under the roof, except for the 2 roof corners. Then add a few more stairs on the corners as a finishing touch. That should be enough for the roof, so now we can finalize the stairs outside. Place 2 ornate lightwood planks, connect them with lightwood beam walls and put 2 simple stone braziers on top. Go inside the house on the first floor and place 2 stages on either side of the brick room, then add 2 light temple braziers in the corners. This area is perfect for all blacksmith related stations. Cooking and farming stations will go in the nearest corner. Some of the remaining stations can go against the wall near the door. And since lanterns can be attached to the roof, place 4 of them on the pillars above the stations to provide enough light for the entire room. The remaining stations will go on the second floor. Just make sure to leave a gap near the pillar. Place 4 simple wooden platforms on the pillars and add 4 lanterns on top of them. Put a bed of your choice on the other side of the room. Fill the remaining space with chests however you like. I've left enough room for a single row of chests, but you can always stack more on top if needed. There's also an external room you can use however you want. I'm personally planning to build portals there. Finally, place 2 bushes under every window on the first floor and surround them with 6 lightwood fences. On the second floor, place 2 light temple platforms 2 blocks below each window, surround them with fences and add 2 stone planters with plants you like. Place 2 marble cobble beams on both sides of the doors on the second floor and put lanterns on them. Repeat the same process on the first floor and that's it. Our cozy fully functional house is ready, so if this video was helpful, lending a precious like would be my best reward. Consider subscribing too. Cheers!